It opens your eyes to how management, why the management is making some of the decisions that they're making, whereas being on the floor in the shops and stuff, you're like, why are they making that decision? Well, this kind of gave you an idea of, oh, that makes sense. That's why they made that decision. And it gives you a big, broad overview of introductions, basically, to what management speaking. And basically that's the whole idea of the course, is to bridge the gap between the shop floor and management, so you can speak both languages and know what they're talking about on the floor and know what management and why management is making decisions that they're making, and then you can relay it better to your coworkers and at least explain it a little bit better that in their, I want to say terminology, but in their language that shop guys speak compared to management speak. So